Hello, I'm Mike Thomas from LW Scientific. Today we'll be talking about our microscope camera line. This first camera is the Vid USB Camera, and it connects to any computer by USB wire. It includes free software. This camera is very fast. It's actually a USB 3 connection, which is a very fast connection, and it has a very sensitive chip and high resolution. So this camera is the best camera we sell for resolution for capturing images into your computer. So again, USB and comes with software. This next camera is the Vid Wi-Fi. As you see, the antenna here. And this sends out its own Wi-Fi signal. So if you have any phone, any smartphone, any handheld device, an iPad, an Android tablet, any of them can connect to the Vid Wi-Fi signal. You don't have to be near a building's Wi-Fi. It produces its own Wi-Fi signal, so you'll be able to connect your phone or your tablet, capture images directly into your device, and then educate your clients or your techs or your doctors. You'll be able to educate with those images from your iPad. This camera also has a switch here where you can switch it to USB mode. It will connect to a computer by USB, and it includes free software if you're interested in capturing images directly into your computer and saving them in your client records or on your server files. And this third camera is the Vid HD 1080. This is a live video camera. It produces live video by HDMI wire straight to any TV, any size monitor, big screen, high-def projectors. This would be the college camera right here for live teaching, or anybody who's doing lecturing, teaching large groups, even small groups with a small TV. So live video, it is super sensitive, super fast, so it's just like watching TV. It also has an SD card that you can capture images on with the on-screen controls. Or you can also connect by USB wires to your computer. This camera also includes software, so you can capture your images directly into your computer. And now we're going to talk about camera mounting options. As you can see on this Revelation 3, it's not a trinocular head. So our Vid USB camera has an optical eye-tube adapter. It's a 23mm adapter that will go in place of an eyepiece into just about any binocular head. Most microscopes in the field have binocular eye tubes that are 23mm, so any of these cameras with this adapter can insert right into a binocular head. The more common way to mount a camera is on a trinocular head with a C-mount. So this is a trinocular with a C-mount threading. Again, any of our cameras, they are all C-mount cameras. They will thread mount right here on top of any trinocular microscope as long as you have that C-mount pipe on top of your scope. They'll mount this way, and this is the most common, the most secure way to mount your camera, and you still have the ability to look into your microscope. Notice here we have a trinocular head with an eye tube top. So we've configured this trinoc with an eye tube top, and again use the optical adapter to insert this Vid Wi-Fi right into that trinocular head. If you're trying to insert any of our cameras with optical adapter into this innovation or a Nikon E200, these eye tubes are much larger. They're 30mm. Some microscopes, some of the bigger, nicer microscopes are going to have a 30mm eye tube. With this sleeve, 30mm sleeve, you can again use the optical adapter to insert any of our cameras into the binocular if the eyepieces are larger. So with 30mm sleeve. As you can see, all of our cameras can mount just about any way to any microscope that's in the field.